Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking access and locating the device. Use Find My iPhone and enable Lost Mode so your contact shows on the lock screen. This prevents others from using it. Next, change your Apple ID password and device passcode to cut off iCloud, Messages, and Apple Pay. Then call your carrier to report the IMEI or serial so they can suspend service. Also file a police report with the serial and last known GPS location. That creates an official record. Once you've locked the phone, focus on data security and recovery. If you think retrieval is unlikely, erase the device remotely via iCloud to remove personal data. Note this will disable Find My and stop further tracking. Make sure to revoke trusted devices from your Apple ID and reset passwords for email, banking, and social apps to prevent account takeover. Finally, verify iCloud backups so you can restore to a replacement and enable two-factor authentication on critical accounts to prevent future access. You finish by getting a replacement and monitoring fallout. File claims with your insurer, AppleCare, or carrier using the police report and device details to request a replacement or reimbursement. While waiting, monitor your financial and email accounts for suspicious activity and consider a credit freeze if sensitive information was involved. If Find My didn't locate the phone, check other location histories like Google and third-party apps. Then contact Apple support for escalation. If problems persist, return to the police with new intel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.